Zero to magnifier, why and how? Let's talk about that. Welcome to the Patriot Training YouTube channel. My name is Jeff Mayhew. I'm the Executive Instructor with Patriot Training. Today I'd like to discuss magnifiers. Now I'm going to assume you already have your magnifier mounted with proper eye relief and aligned with your optic. If you'll notice, I have a Mantis Blackbeard in for safety reasons and when there's no ammunition in the area. You also notice I'm using a gun vise. Now if you don't have a gun vise, you can use bags or a backpack. You just want to keep the gun steady as we flip the magnifier back and forth. Let's first talk about the diopter. We make adjustments to the diopter until our reticle is crystal clear. Next we have our turrets, elevation and windage, much like the optic has. Everything I've read on adjustments for these turrets says to adjust them till the optic is in the center. I've found unless you adjust them to the extreme, the optic's always in the center. Let me explain to you how I like to make the adjustments. Take a piece of tape, place over the front of the optic, much like pistol shooters do with their red dots. Now, place yourself behind the gun, aim the optic at something. While holding it steady, flip that magnifier up. You might notice that the optic appears to shift. If that's the case, make adjustments to your turrets until you see no shift in the optic while you flip the magnifier back and forth. Once you achieve that, you're good to go. Don't forget to remove the tape. I hope you found this educational. And remember, you don't have to be a patriot to train, but you do have to train if you want to consider yourself a patriot. Thanks for watching.